Hello student. Next problem is a stone is dropped into well and sound of flash is heard 3.3 seconds after the stone is dropped. If velocity of sound is 350 meter per second, find the depth of well up to the water level. Here stone is dropped from the into the well with velocity v is equal to 0 due to fall freely. Okay, due to freely falling, the initial velocity of stone is 0. Now consider or let L1 is the time taken by stone to reach the water level, and T2 is time taken by sound from the water level to ground. Okay, but here is the sound of flash is heard in 3.3 seconds. That means T1 plus T2 is equal to 3.3 seconds. Okay, the time of that stone dropped into the water and sound of that water heard on the ground is given by 3.3 seconds. Therefore T1 plus T2 is equal to 3.3 seconds. Okay, this is first equation. Now consider the motion of stone from A to B. Here use the equation S is equal to ut minus 1 by 2 gt square. Okay, here S is the displacement of the stone up to point B is nothing but d, but here d is negative. Velocity is 0, 9.81 into T1 square. Suppose T1 square. Now d is equal to 9.81 T1 square divided by 2. This is equation second. Okay, now the motion of sound from B to A. Here distance is equal to velocity into time, because you have to give velocity of sound. Therefore distance is nothing but d is equal to velocity 350 meter per second into T2. T2 why? Because time taken by sound. Okay, therefore from equation first we have to write down T2. Okay, that is 3.3 minus T1. Put this value in equation this. You get d is equal to 350 into 3.3 minus T1. Okay, this is equation third. Now equating first and equation third and second equation, equating, you get 9.81 T1 square divided by 2 is equal to 350 into 3.3 minus T1 bracket square. Okay, by solving this equation you get 9.81 T1 square plus 350 T1 minus 1155 is equal to 0. After solving this you get this equation. Okay, and after solving this equation you get T1 is equal to 3.16 second. Okay, this is the time taken by the stone to reach the water level. Now put this value in equation. First you get T2 or T1 plus T2. What is the equation first? T2 is equal to 3.3. 3.16 minus T2 is equal to 3.3. That gives T2 is equal to you get T2 is equal to 0.40 second. Okay, now from this equation D is equal to, what is the D equation? 98 divided by 2 into T1 square. D is equal to 9.81 divided by 2 into T1 is 3.16. Now you get the value of D or depth is equal to 48.97 meter, which is the depth of well up to the water level. Okay, that is D is equal to 48.97 is the depth of water level above the ground level.